In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add background image on OBS Studio. So you can see I have already opened OBS Studio. Now I'm going to click this scene, the plus icon. Then since I create this for image, okay, I click OK. Now you can see this is a blank because I need to add source. Then click plus icon, and this is the image option. Then this is image 1. Make source visible. Just tick mark this, then click on OK. Now I need to select which image I want to add. Just click browse. Then here is a lots of image I have. For example, I add this. Click on open. Then now again click OK. So this is the image you can use. On the other hand, you can add your image on this corner. So this is the method I again show you. Plus icon, okay, since number 3, then again going this image, then going to okay, again click on browse bar, then I select this image, open. I click this okay. Now I need to click again this plus icon, then make OS screen capture, okay. Select need to display, then I need to select this full screen to display. Now make sure this screen capture is the under and image with above. Now just read size your image. So you can see this is a corner. I add an image. Now you can record your video. That's good. Thanks for watching. See you again.